What's up everybody, it's Peter, welcome to our channel, and here I am. I was about to say here I am, I'm flying on my I Vesc XR, and actually no, I'm not flying, I'm going a little over 10 miles, and I'm not on a Vesc XR, I'm actually on a OneWheel original Pint. Yes, I do have now Pint in my possession. I got actually 2 of them for my future project, and before I start modifying, I thought let me ride it for a week or so and see how it's good or how bad. And to be honest, experience with Pint is really horrible. I will not recommend to anyone over 200 pounds. Even Fisher Motions on them website, it's saying up to 250 pounds. Of course, you have to understand that's a joke. In my opinion, this board probably will be good for someone maybe 120 up to 150 pounds. That's it. Yeah, don't, if you are a heavy guy, even if you find it dirt cheap, don't buy it, because it's a recipe for trouble. The board is way underpowered. It's less comfortable than any other board I tried, because it's a small, it's when you ride it, it feels like you are riding on a marble. Small tires, really neutral. It's maneuverable, yes, if you like and you feel comfortable to go that fast. I mean, wherever it goes, I believe it's capable to do like 16 miles. But due to a power lack, it's not on the bright side. Like I said, it's a recipe for trouble. My record today, actually, I was doing really good, 13.1. I feel like I'm a freaking evil Knievel going that fast on something like that. Let me stop it right there. And another thing, not only power, it's lack of power. I mean, that board has too weak. Also braking is horrible as well. Here, I mean, I always do like a quick stop, and it doesn't hold very well, pretty much. But otherwise, the board is up and running. Like I said, it's pretty good. It's gonna be quite interesting start package for me to see what I can create from it. You know me, guys, I always create something special, and this board, this Pint is gonna be, like I said, good start. See what I can do. Yeah, especially if you saw my previous video, you know me already. If I don't like something, I will modify it. If I'm looking for something that doesn't exist, I will make it my own. And this board is not going to be exception. I got already on order some parts for make it a beast, but we will see how far I will take it, this board. Well, guys, pretty much this video is just my opinion. Opinion slash recommendation, but recommendation very little, and don't even take seriously probably. Anyway, I hope you do like this video, enjoy it. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate it. Thank you.